Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, we are currently creating video on Bing ads. So in today's video, I will let you know how to add a in-market audience to the Bing ad search campaign so that we can advertise our campaign to the more effective audience which are more interested in our services, and with the help of that we will get accurate leads, more quality leads in the Bing campaigns. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to add audience in a search campaign in Bing's ads account. So as you can see, we have already created a search campaign. As you have seen my last video, I have give you the brief about how we will create a search campaign, and as you can see, the search campaign is here right now. So today I will let you know how we can add a particular dedicated audience in this campaign so that we can get result and targeted a more efficient audience. With the help of that, we will able to generate results. So first of all, for adding the audience in the campaign, you just need to click on the campaign level and go to the campaigns level, and then you can see there are different options here. You just need to go to the campaign option, and then you have a drop down menu here, and here you just need to go to the audiences section. Once you click on the audiences section, it will give you the dashboard where you can target the audience, different type of audience. Like as you can see, we have the option here: target, remarketing list, remarketing audience, similar audience, combine these. So there are so much options here which you can target in the campaign and enhance your results. So let's talk about in marketing audience, and let's target in market audience in the campaign. I will click on that and click on the create assassination button, and here we need to target our audience which we need to target in the campaign. It will take some time. And campaign target, campaign, you can exclude as well if you want to exclude some kind of audience, some channels or some kind of audience, some kind of website, you can exclude here as well. And I will click on the create button. Here I have the option like which kind of audience I want to target here. Let me go to the in-market audience first, because there are a lot of options there. We have remarketing list, dynamic remarketing list, custom audiences, similar audiences, in-marketing audiences, customer match list. Like there are a lot of options here. You can choose what audience you have created in the audience manager section, and you can choose it here and target the same in the campaign. As my recommendation, if you are running a search campaign, first try with in-market audience, because in-marketing audience is the audience who are currently active audience and like searching for the services which we are giving. And right now, like according to my services, I want to target people who are owners or managers in restaurants, this kind of stuff. So let me put the keyword manager. As you can see, now I have different kind of audiences here: asset manager, category manager, data center manager. Data center manager also will help me, because this kind of audience I need, because I need to sell the product which can be used with this kind of audience. So I will add the same, as I will click on the add button and it will send the services here. Okay, and in the same way you can add which audience you want to target. You can like add anything which you want to target in the campaign, but you need to use a particular keyword for that which you think will give you the exact audience. Like if you need car dealers, you can put car dealer keyword here, and then as there is no audience who are related to car dealer, then you can click on the car button, and that's it. As you can see, car batteries, we have audience like this. So now I have added the audience here. Now you can set the bid only or campaign targeting. So I will only choose bid only option, because I want to like utilize the audience more and more. Like Bing ads will automatically bid on the audience which I have selected and provide us the results. Okay, and thus just need to click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, you can see we have the audience, targeted audience here. As you can see, now you can, once this audiences start getting data like click, impressions, shares, conversion, you can see it here. And if these audience are not giving you the good results or exact result which you want from the campaign, you can pause it here, you can adjust the bid. So all the things you can do it here. So I think now you are able to know how we target a audience in a search campaign in Bing ads account. So thank you so much for watching my video. So if you like the video, do like, share, comment, and if you have any query or concern, you can directly comment below, or you can contact me directly on the number flashing on the screen.